Hi, start with the digital download links that I sent you. Here, I'm on the Sherwin-Williams page. Save the file to your computer. I put it on my desktop. Now I'm going to go to the link for Dunn Edwards. Look for the Photoshop icon. Pick View Details, then pick Download. Save the file to your computer. You're done with the web browser now, so you can minimize this and open Photoshop. You will need your swatches panel open. If it's not open, go to the window pull-down menu and pick Swatches. You're going to need the mini menu from the swatches. Pick on that and go to Import Swatches. Doesn't matter which one you pick first. You only need one. This one is Sherwin-Williams. And there are the color files. I'm going to minimize this folder and I'm going to import Dunn Edwards next. And there's the Dunn Edwards Perfect Palette. So you can see all of those there. That's how you do it.